And we're back to learning JavaScript. Let me show you the forEach method can be used to call a function for each element in an array. In our case, we have these numbers in the ARR array. We print it out, you can see it here. What I do now is I declare a new variable, I leave it empty, but I add quotation marks, so it's going to be a string. And then I use the forEach method for our array, ARR, and inside I want to call a function. We haven't yet created it, but I'm going to call it a line break function, because I want to add a line break to each number. Now let's create the function. We need the function keyword, then the name. I call that line break function as I've said. Regular brackets, then curly brackets. First up, we need a placeholder for the parameter here. Let me just call that value. So that's just each number. Now I use our text variable that we've created. We're going to store the result in there, so text equals then value. And here we want to add the line break, but we have to write plus equals. I'm going to explain later why. And inside the quotation marks we add our BR tag. You can still see the ARR because that's printed out. We have to print out our text now in the last code line here. And now all numbers are in a new line. All numbers have a BR tag. And that's what we've done here. So why plus equals? Because if I get rid of the plus, it will only store the last value, which is the 99, and all other numbers would be overwritten. And this is why we've added plus equals. So the forEach adds this function to every element in an array. Whatever function you define is then up to you. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.